Hello guys, this is Krupa Mechanic. So I am here to tell you something about the last weekend that we spent, and it was actually the trip. So before that, I would like to share some details about myself. I am Krupa Mechanic, IELTS trainer as well as personality development and communication trainer. So I conduct trainings on the same, but here I'm not to tell you about my profession. I am here to tell you about the last trip that we enjoyed, and now because I am planning to start the daily vlogs kind of thing and the routine kind of thing videos. So I decided and I thought it would be very nice to share the last trip's video with you guys. It was to Statue of Unity. So I would like to share some details about Statue of Unity before I post the video of Statue of Unity, because I have made a mini vlog to the Statue of Unity. So previously I was not happy with the idea that we are going Statue of Unity, because I have heard that it was I live in Surat, so it was a travel of 3 hours, and but my husband Chirag was really excited to go somewhere, as the last weekend was a long weekend and holidays. It was Mahashivratri, then back to back it was a second Saturday and Sunday. So as he is working in bank, he got all 3 days holiday. He was getting really bored that okay, let's go somewhere and let's utilize our day offs. I generally don't get day offs from my institute. It is only Sunday. I was confused if I could get the day off, but then I convinced at the institute, and then we all planned to go there. So it was really amazing. Let's talk about Statue of Unity. It is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and he was known as Iron Man, and the statue is the tallest statue in the world. So many people plan to go it for one day, but I would recommend to go there for at least 2 days. That actually we did as well, because it is a long drive of 3 hours from our state city Surat. But then if you are going from other cities, it can vary. Plus there are many places to visit, like there is jungle safari, there is pet station, maze garden, valley of flowers, then dino trail, then butterfly garden, glow garden, then there is a laser show in the evening. There are many places to visit, not only that Statue of Unity. So we reached by around 5 o'clock in the evening, and after because we had already booked our accommodation at Kamdhenu resorts. It is a good resort to stay, and so when we reached over there, we didn't even rest, and we just planned to continue to the place, because all the places gets closed by 6 o'clock. Only the glow garden and the laser show you can enjoy late evening. So we didn't want to miss any of the things, but ultimately we missed on that day, and we could only go for Unity Glow Garden and the laser show we enjoyed. On the next day, we went to the jungle safari. And one more thing, if you're going there, for all these places you have to book your tickets prior. And there is nothing there is no concept like standing in a queue for tickets, and nothing like that. You have to book all the tickets online. So there is a application of Statue of Unity. On that you can select the place wherever you want to go, and then book the tickets. It takes only hardly like 10 minutes. So it's very good to go. And I would recommend that don't book your tickets prior. If you are planning that time that I want to visit Maze Garden, for example, so book your tickets then and there, because it may happen that sometimes you miss going there, or sometimes you are really tired that you end up like not going there.